Here is a Subaru Crosstrek. To change the cabin air filter, let's go ahead and open up the passenger side door, open up the glove box. Whatever stuff you have in the glove box, just get it out because we're going to take this glove box down. Now on the side is the dampener arm. Just grab the arm and pull it out and then push it in to get it out of the way. Now we need to squeeze this glove box in from both the sides. So squeeze it in and then at the same time try to pull it down. Same thing on the other side, and it comes off. Just get it out of the way. Press this clip over here and then try to pull the cover down. Same thing on the other side and the cover just comes right off. Grab the filter and then pull it out straight. It will slide right out. The top side is the dirty side, the bottom side is the clean side. So the way it works is when you pull the filter out, all the trapped dirt on the top just comes right out with the filter and doesn't drop inside the car. Check the link in the description to buy the new one from Amazon for yourself. I'm just going to put this filter back in for now, but I've already ordered the new one, and as soon as it gets here I'll change it. It should go back in all the way. Let's put the cover on and let's focus on the top two clips of the cover. Once you get those in place, now you can just press the cover down from each of the side and clip on. For the glove box, there's two cutouts. They go on the hinges there, on both the sides. Just get it on the hinge and then push it on, and while you're applying some pressure onto the hinges, try closing the glove box. Give it a firm push, and that's it. It's back in place. Now let's get the dampener arm, pull it out and put it on that clip there, and then push it on to secure it. And let's try this out. This is working good, and that is pretty much it. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.